This is Colin with JDS Sign Supply, and today we're going to be looking at our multi-layer standoff sets. As you can see, the sky's the limit as far as how you want to assemble these panels. You can mix and match the lengths and get really creative with your dimensions and make some really awesome three-dimensional displays and art pieces with this. All right, so this first panel is going to represent our wall, and we've already got our drywall screws with the anchors mounted into that. And so we're going to start by applying our first layer of barrels, which is the longest pieces we have here. So we're just going to start by screwing those down. Then we're going to want to screw in the bolts to these barrels. Then we're going to want to put our plastic washers in between each layer to protect the panels. So we'll have one on the bottom of the panel and then also one on the top. So go ahead and put that on and put our next set of washers on. Then we'll add our next layer of barrels. Then we're just going to repeat that process. And there you have it.